If you ever get a chance to come down to Moab in November, it is a great time. It's still busy because it's always busy, but just not quite as busy, and it's not so dang hot. 'Tis the season to start thinking about Christmas and gifts for those RVers in your life. And I don't know about you, but I think RVers are some of the hardest people to buy Christmas gifts for. What do you think, Kara?
Yes, if they need it, they're gonna get it. And if it's something that they want, they get it also.
And plus, when it comes right down to it, a lot of the stuff that we want as RVers is pretty dang expensive. So it's kind of hard to give as Christmas gifts for a lot of us. But we narrowed it down to 5 things that we've been thinking about this year as gifts for the RVer in your life. Don't know if these are showing up. Different petroglyph panels. One of the great things with Moab is come down here and they're just all over the place. First thing we're going to start out with, camp chairs. I don't know about you guys, but it seems like every few years we have to get a new set.
They just wear out, especially if they're the canvas ones. They come out of the little holders, the feet break.
And there's lots of different types of camping chairs that have came out. There's like that director style chair. Kara's parents really like those.
Yeah, those seem to be the new ones right now. There's the rockers that are a big thing as well.
It might just be time for new chairs. And this isn't something that necessarily has to break the bank. We got some new chairs this year and we've really enjoyed having new chairs instead of having to try to get our old chairs to keep working and yeah, dealing with ripped chairs and all that sort of stuff. So maybe just some new camp chairs.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gate.
We don't have leaves in our yard. I had to take advantage of it.
Your turn.
Sure, me and my excellent hiking shoes. Didn't know we were going hiking this morning. I would have worn my hiking shoes.
This was a little bit of an impromptu hike. I don't know if the reflection's picking up. But how cool is that?
Well, Jesse is trying to catch that perfect shot right there. I'm going to tell you about our next one. We have chosen inflatable paddle boards or possibly inflatable kayaks. You can go out for the day, just chill by the lake. They are also, being inflatable, easy to set up, take down. They're a lot smaller than those rigid boards that we're used to. So they are a nice thing just to add to someone's RV. Thoughts?
So what one was that?
Paddle boards.
Oh yeah, we love those. It's so nice because they fit in the RV so well. Once you just roll them up, it's pretty slick. Rather than having to have an extra rack to put, you know, the solid ones on.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, that's a great gift idea. Number 3, this is a pretty cheap gift. Maybe just a gift certificate for some audiobooks. When you're on those long road trips, it's nice to have something different to listen to. And it's so hard to pick up radio in a lot of the places we go, all that sort of stuff. So a good audiobook can really help out. Right now we're listening to Nick Offerman's new book. I think it's called Where the Deer and the Antelope Roam, but he has like Paddle Your Own Canoe and a bunch of others. If you don't know who Nick Offerman is, he played Ron Swanson from Parks and Rec.
Would you like to sample our vegan bacon? 100% meatless.
Yes, please. Another, please.
Sir, is there a problem?
I'm just making sure no one ever has to eat this.
And if you're driving for long times like we do, it just really is a good option when you don't have radio service and all those sort of things. So, gift certificate for some audiobooks. Always works out pretty well for us.
Another one we couldn't go without mentioning is the gift of power.
Yeah, as you probably know if you've watched the channel, we are big fans of Lion Energy and all their power products, whether it's their charging stations or their portable power units or their portable generators, solar panels, lithium batteries, all those things. It's not just these expensive lithium batteries they do things that are, you know, all price ranges.
There are many different variations to give you the gift of power.
The best thing with giving Lion Energy is everything can build on each other or ties together. So maybe they have one piece already, you can just get them that other piece that they need. Or you get them a piece and then later on another piece. So it's that thing that they can keep on building with their whole solar system or with their battery systems or just their portable power units. That's what we gave Kara's parents last year, was a solar panel, and they've really enjoyed it. So maybe look that direction. Last but not least, maybe the gift of meat.
All the bacon and eggs you have. Wait. I worry what you just heard was, give me a lot of bacon and eggs. What I said was, give me all the bacon and eggs you have. Do you understand?
A new thing that we've been using is our portable pellet grill from Traeger. We have the Traeger Tailgater, and we have loved this thing. It just does so much, and it gives a lot of opportunities for cooking different things.
Yeah, not just meat, but you can do vegetables as a grill.
Yeah, you've done a cake in it.
I've done a cake. You can do pizza. You can do
Biscuits. I mean,
so many things.
it really works as an oven for you.
It
when you're
really
out camping.
does. Yes.
Yeah, and they have smaller ones that are more like a briefcase size. I think it's the Scout or the Ranger or something like that. And there's other brands, but we really like our Traeger Tailgater. The one thing we really like with the Traeger Tailgater is it's big enough we use it at home.
Oh,
Like
yeah,
for Thanksgiving
absolutely.
this coming week, we're going to smoke a turkey in it. So if you're looking for something to add to that camp cooking that's not too hard to use, Traeger Tailgater.
Taking the safer route.
So there's our 5 RV Christmas gift ideas, at least for this year.
We will have several examples and links for you in the description box below. And definitely please share what you guys are giving your RVer this year. This one, I have no idea what to do.
Make sure you like, subscribe, all those sort of things. And like she said, comment below if you have any other ideas for that RVer in your life. You know, good Christmas ideas. That way we can help each other out, because that's what we like to try to do here, is help each other out. So, as always, thanks for watching and enjoy your weekend.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday